AnnaSophia Robb is an American actress, singer and model. She began as a child actress on television, making her leading debut as the titular role in Samantha, An American Girl Holiday. She made her feature film debut in Because of Winn-Dixie, followed by the supporting role of Violet Beauregarde in Tim Burton's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Her performance as Leslie Burke in Bridge to Terabithia garnered her recognition and praise and 2 Young Artist Awards. Her subsequent film roles include Race to Witch Mountain, Soul Surfer, and The Way, Way Back. She received wider recognition and praise for playing the lead role of Carrie Bradshaw on the CW's series The Carrie Diaries. In 2019, she played the role of Gypsy Rose Blanchard's neighbor Lacey in the Hulu miniseries The Act. Robb was born in Denver, Colorado, the daughter of Janet, an interior designer, and David Robb, an architect. She was named after her maternal great-grandmother, AnnaSophia, and her paternal grandmother, Anna Marie. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.